stand or I should fall. You know me well, you see it all. My darkest nights, my deepest fears, I cry to you and you will hear. Boundless love, come carry me to the place where I at last am free, where I belong and you will be, where all of you is all of me. Boundless love, come carry me. In your fullness I will rest. I find your peace beneath the cross, knowing you, my one desire. Take me now to where you are.
For the Lord himself is my portion.